Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel again, and this is Yash Patel, and this is another video to my MySQL series. And today we are going to deep dive into what is database. So let's get started. Now, um, let's assume that we have the store of books, right? And I am not using database. I am bookkeeping the record of my customer. Now, there is an issue with bookkeeping, and that is, what if I want to check the sales of this month? Now, for this month, I think it can be easy, but now let's assume that I want to see the sales of last 5 months or last 1 year. It is difficult, right? Now let's assume I want to see the profit and loss as well for since I started my business of bookkeeping, right? Now this is going to be very hard, and also it will take very much time, and which is not very good for my business because I want to grow and I don't have time. And that is why we use database. With database we can record the data, we can manipulate the data, and we can also what we say de delete the data, right? These things we can do with database. Now let's see how the database works. Right now, whenever the customer buys the book, I want to keep the record of the customer, like customer information. I want customer name, I want their address, I want city, state, and zip to dispatch the book and deliver it to their location, right? Now, all these are fields. When we combined all the fields, it will become one record. Now, there is not going to be just one customer. There is going to be multiple customer, right? And this multiple record is going to be combined in a file, and we call it as file, which is also known as the record, right? Or data, sorry, what we see, rows, right? Or table. Now let's see it with the example. Let's go. Okay, now here is one table, customer. Here is another table, book. Now each column in table is considered as field, right? We can see zip is one field, state is one field, city is one field, right? Now the horizontal, the row, is considered as one record for whole customer, right? Means this record is belong to, let's see, this record is belong to this, or this field. This record is belong to this field. This record is belong to this field. This record is belong to this field, right? Now when we combined multiple fields, means 1 2 3 4 5, it becomes one record, you see here. And when we combine multiple record, it becomes one table, means 1 2 records, it becomes books table. 1 2 these two records will make the table of customers, and when we combine multiple tables, it becomes one database. That is how database works, right? Now let's see entity relationship model. Now when we as you see here, that this is one table and this is one table. Now we want to combine this, and we want to extract data from both table. Now there is going to be some relationship between these two table, and this is called as entity relationship with an entity ER model, right? It means it displays the relationship between two tables or two database, right? Now There are basically three relationship: one to one, one to many, and many to many. Now let's see. One to one means there is only one way of data transfer or data retrieving, right? Means one classroom has only one division and one division has only one classroom. It's one to one, right? Now, one to many. Many is defined as triangle shape with classroom. Means instructor can have multiple classes. You see, it's flowing from left to right. One instructor has multiple classes, but classes only have one instructor. Mean one class, one instructor, but one instructor can have multiple class, right? Now, many to many means many to many, means multiple classes can have multiple students, but multiple students can have also multiple classes. This is how one to many, one to one to many, and many to many relationship works. Now let's take example uh, of our bookkeeping system, right? Let's go. Yeah. Now let's see. Customer and order means one customer can place multiple orders, but one order can belongs to only one customer. Now let's see what is dash mean. The solid line belongs to compulsory data, but the dash line belongs to it is not mandatory, right? It means customer can exist in database without ordering the data, right? But orders can only belong orders can have books, means order is placed only when it contains books, means this is compulsory, right? So this is how it works. Now let's assume first customer don't have to order, means it's not mandatory to order the books. We can just explore the books on our website or application. We don't have to order, it's not mandatory, right? But if I want to order, I can order uh, multiple times, like on first day of month, on last day of month, in middle of month. I can take place multiple orders in same day as well, right? But one order can have only one customer. Okay, this is how it works. Now let's see. Books can have only one publisher. Only one publisher can publish a book. But sorry, only books can have only one publisher. Means if I have the book called Slay the Code, right? The Slay the Book code can publish only one publisher, but one publisher can have multiple books, right? Means my name is Yash, right? Means I can publish multiple books. I can publish, right? Now, books and authors. Books can have multiple authors, and multiple authors can have multiple books. That is correct. Means one author, it is not in whole life it write only one book. It can write multiple books, right? So one author can write multiple books, and one book can have multiple authors as well. And this also going for orders and books, means orders can have multiple books, like one order can have one to as many as customer want to order, and one book can have multiple orders, right? Let's assume Slay the Code book is ordered by customer 1, customer 2, and customer 3. It could be any, right? Yeah, so that was all for this video. As I think you know what you understand everything for database terminology. I mean, what is row, what is field, what is table, what is database, and also what is one to one relationship, one to many relationship, and many to many relationship. I hope you guys do understand what is all about. If you still have doubt, please let me know in comment section, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And in next video we will see how we can make our database secure as possible. So please do subscribe my YouTube channel if you like the video and you want to get update, and if you like the video, please hit the like. And yeah, that's what this is all from me. See you next video. Bye, take care, have a nice day. Slay the code, by the way.